Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
Why my trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
tick, why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story. Beneath the Tinga sky.
Tinga Tinga Tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga tinga tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Why Parrot can't keep a secret?
Jumbo Parrot. But you see, there was a time when Parrot was the best keeper of secrets in Tinga Tinga.
So you won't tell Crocodile that you're going to pull his tail? You promise you won't tell? Is that a yes or a no?
Parrot couldn't open his beak, so the animals didn't mind if Parrot overheard their secrets because he never said a word.
Bye-bye, Parrot.
Wiry.
Poor Parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parrot. Parrot! Parrot doesn't come after 4. What are you doing there, Parrot? You should have said something. Oh, sorry, Parrot. You can't say something. Silly me. Big head, see? Tiny brain. Don't tell anyone, but I'm trying to teach myself counting. It's our little secret.
Wanyama! Animals! Animals!
That's Lion. He sounds angry. Come on.
Where is everyone? I want every beast here.
I'm coming, Your Majesty. I'm coming. What is it? Oh, my goodness.
Some beast has stolen my mane. This is not nature's way. Does anyone know who took it?
No.
Who would dare do such a thing? Shocking!
No one has seen anything?
We haven't seen anything.
We haven't seen anything. No.
How can I be king without my mane?
Your Majesty, we will search the entire land until we find your mane.
We will search treetops and the water holes.
We will check in every burrow.
And we will look under every rock.
Come on.
We'll find it.
Your Majesty,
Please don't look at me like this.
don't worry. We will find your mane.
Thank you, Leopard. Asante. Such a beautiful cat, Leopard, with such beautiful spots. Maybe she won't like me anymore. But that's just between you and me, Parrot. Not a word.
Nothing up here.
Dearie me, nothing in the treetops. Meerkat, can you see anything?
Nothing on the plains, but always on the lookout. Aardvark, can you see anything?
Nothing underground.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
I've never seen Lion so angry. Do you think Lion was angry?
Yes, he was really angry.
Sorry, Tortoise.
Well, if you ask me, Lion looked quite plain without his mane.
Peacock, you shouldn't say things like that. Some beast could hear you.
Funny how you take away the mane, you take away the king.
Parrot's right there.
Oh, don't worry about Parrot. Parrot can't tell anyone anything. Can't open his beak.
I stole Lion's mane while he was snoring
underneath a tree. How does it look?
Oh, it suits you, Hyena. Oh, sorry, I mean, Your Majesty.
You look quite the king.
It is nature's way, my friends. I am the new king of Tinga Tinga.
Let me try. Hyena, it's Parrot. He has seen us.
Don't worry about Parrot. He won't tell anyone.
He can't tell anyone. I want a go. Give me a go.
No. Let's hide the mane. Then we can all be king. Crocodile, come here. There you go.
No one will ever find it.
Without his mane, Lion can't be king.
We don't want Lion to be king ever again.
No.
Let's hide in the swamps. Oh, and Parrot, keep your beak shut.
Here, keep looking.
Sorry, Parrot, I can't understand you.
Sorry. Keep looking.
Parrot, this is no time for games. We have to find this mane.
Oh, Lion's going to stay angry forever.
Polly, sorry, Parrot, we can't understand you.
What will Lion do if we can't find his mane?
I don't know. Let's have some coconut before we start looking again.
Jumbo Parrot!
Jumbo Parrot. I know. It's really hard, this coconut. Well, if you want to try and open it, Karibu, please do.
Yes, you've got a hard beak. You have a go.
Go on. You try and open it. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh.
Yes! I found the mane! I found Lion's mane!
You opened your beak.
Parrot, you opened your beak.
Say something, Parrot. Say something.
I found the mane! I know where Lion's mane is!
Well, what are we waiting for? You've got to tell Lion straight away.
Yes, let's.
Aha!
Come on. Haraka, quickly.
I know where it is!
Oh,
Aha! In the middle of those rocks, Your Majesty! Your mane is underneath those branches!
Aha! I am King of Tinga Tinga! Parrot, I cannot thank you enough. You have done your king a great service. And do you know who stole my mane?
It was Hyena and Jackal and Crocodile and Lizard
And where are these scoundrels?
hiding in the swamp!
Hyena, jackal, lizard, crocodile. Show your faces before the king.
And they said they wanted to be king of Tinga Tinga.
Did they now? Well, we'll have to show them there is only one king of Tinga Tinga.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
That will teach them.
Your Majesty.
You have done extremely well, Parrot.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there's more.
Go on.
Well, Peacock thought you looked quite plain without your mane.
Did he now?
But.
No buts, Peacock. Anything else?
Well, poor old elephant here can't count, and he's too embarrassed to tell anyone.
Parrot, that was our little secret.
Elephant, why didn't you tell me? I'll help you count. That's what friends are for.
Oh, thank you, Tortoise. Asante.
Ooh, the monkeys are going to pull Crocodile's tail.
Shh, Parrot.
I'm afraid we've started something we may come to regret.
Because Crocodile can...
So you see, Parrot was so pleased to have helped Lion that he couldn't stop. And that's why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Ooh, and there's one more thing. Lion was really worried. He thought the leopard wouldn't like him anymore without his mane.
Yes, Parrot. Thank you.
I'll always like Lion.
And lovely leopard and her beautiful spots. Well, that's a whole other story.